Hi, I think we are live now, right? We are live with a new stream. Hi, I think we are live now, right? We are live with a new stream. Yes, I have to. Okay, let it be. Chat, let me fix my this one here. There was there was supposed to be a chat overlay here. Let me fix that. Okay, it takes a minute. 1 second. Wait, I will check whether it is working or not. I think it is not working now. Wait a minute, chat. I think it should show now. Yeah, we are good to go now. Yes, we are good to go now. The stream is ready now for the chat. The chat interface is ready. Okay, let people join. We will start solving our own now. Where were we? Yes, chat. Yesterday we solved two questions, which were the third one and the fourth one. In third one, the cover in water, we solved that, and also we solved uh, the fourth one. Today is fifth problem that we have to solve. So I've already opened it, jagged swaps. So yesterday we were trying to solve this, right? It was very late night. We were trying to solve this. uh, we were trying to solve this, but we had already solved two questions, so I was not able to solve this. So let's start with this question itself. Okay, you are given a permutation A of size n. You are given a permutation A of size n, and you can do the following operations. Select an index I from 2 to n minus 1 such that a index ai minus 1 2 to m minus 1 such that a index ai minus 1 swap ai and ai plus 1. Okay, determine whether it is possible to sort the permutation after a finite number of operations. A permutation is an array consisting of n distinct integers from 1 to n in arbitrary order. For example, 2, 3, 1 and 5, 4 is a permutation, but 1 to 2 is not a. So there should not be a two numbers which repeat itself in the same array which he has given. So 1, 3, 4 is also not a permutation because permutation when n equals 3 but there is 4 in the array. Okay, there must be a serial wise numbers. If n equals 1, then there should be 1. If n equals 2, then there should be 2 present. But not a permutation because when n is 3 but there is 4 in the array, which is not satisfying because it's 1, it has to be 1, 2 and 3, right? But it is 1, 3 and 4. You are given a permutation A of size and you can do the following operation. Select an index I 2 to n minus 1 such that ai minus 1 uh, is less than ai and ai is greater than ai plus 1, then swap ai with ai plus 1. Determine whether it is possible to sort a permutation of an array. Okay. In the first test case, the permutation is already sorted. In the second test case, we can choose index I equals 2. Okay, I equals 2, which is this 3. And then what we do, 3. And then we can choose index I equals 4 as, then we can choose index I is 4, which is the 5 number, where 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is greater than 4, so we can 1 1 3 2 5 4, right? 1 2 3 5 4. What we do is 1 2 3. So yesterday what we did was, so what we were doing was, uh, we'll take an for loop in this and check for each array if it is greater than v. Okay, here it is. What I was trying to do is, what I will do now is, I'll take, okay, chat, 1 2 no 1 3 2 5 4, right? So what I'll do, I'll check for each array from starting with index I equals 1. What I will do is I will check from starting with index I equals 1 till I equals n minus 1, till here to here. I will check. What I will check is if this is, if 3 is greater than 1 and also greater than 2, then I will swap this number with this one. Now obviously this number will go here and we will check for this. So if it is greater than this and this, then we will swap again. So our new array becomes 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4, right? Now what I will do, I will check now. Now we check this, we swapped it. Now this satisfies, and one second, this satisfies, but here it does not satisfy. So we move to the next index. We move to the next index. Now this satisfies this and this satisfies this by this, right? So we swap here. So when we reach I equals n minus 1, we will check whether the given array equals the initial array dot sort of, whether it is equals or not. If it is equal, if both are equal, no, so the final array is sorted, then we will print as either no. That's what we will do now. So let it be. Wait, I think still nobody has joined the chat. Let it be, they will join now. They will join. Where were we? Okay, we have int b, we take cin as b, and we have to take a array here. We'll take vector int array. What we'll do is we'll apply a for loop j less than b, j plus plus, j less than b, and j plus plus. We take array index j. Now we got an array, a vector. We named it as array, right? So what I will do is, now we got this array, complete array. Now we got this complete array, right? What I will do now is I'll start with uh, for int j equals 0, j less than b. Okay, we have to start with first index, right? And j less than b minus 1 and j plus plus. What I will do now is, mm, the array that I have created here, nothing will happen. We'll just solve it. Uh, we have to take it. We have to check it, right? If array index j is greater than array index j is greater than array index j minus 1, and uh, array index j is also greater than array index j plus 1. If so, what we do is we just swap array index j with array index j plus 1, right? Now we did this. Now we check this. If array dot, we can't apply sort right here. Okay. Is there anything that for sorting is, I think, sort of array dot begin of comma end of, no, array dot end of, I think this, I think it is the function. Wait, once I will check. Okay, just I will remove this. Sort of array or begin. Okay, this is correct. What I did was correct. I have to remove this. That's it. Now equals array. Then I think there is a mistake in here. The whole array. We are comparing if the sorted array is, no. I have to put this first, right? I think there is a mistake. Either I should sort it first and name it as the different array. Wait, I'll equals to sort of array dot begin of comma array dot end of uh, if new array is sorted array and equals, then see out Harvey Specter. Sir, I have a question. Bro, I am not a sir, you can call me bro. I am a second year student. Endel. Welcome to the stream, Harvey Specter. Consider subscribing. Else see out. Yes, ask bro. Yeah. No. No. No bro, not on 10th October. Thank you. Just like your name. By the way, you are the first viewer, I think, who has texted today in the chat. My friends are busy today, I guess. Dot. Array. Yeah, bro. I think I have did a mistake here. 1 second. Thank you, thank you. By the way, what's your real name? Nice. Welcome to the stream. I am making mistake in sorting here. Once again, I will check it. Okay, then first we will check whether it is sorting or not. Where were we? Yeah. For auto j in array, C out j and then Okay, there is something error. Which we have not wrote a code, right? We have not wrote a syntax here for if it is already sorted. We have to check that. Mhm. Okay, I've took C in here. C in here for Indian. Wait, chat. I am lagging in. I can write this in Python easily now, but I should not write. Hmm. I think. Uh, wait. 1 second. I am fixing my code. अरे ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಲ್ದೆ ನಂಗೆ. Acha, the basic syntax error I made here. I think this should fix it. C dot. I have did the same thing, but my compiler is not working, bro. I think there is a error. I have written the same code, right? I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it, chat. Now let's write here. Ah, our code which we were doing here. Yeah, somebody is watching. Let it be. We will first finish that as fast as we can, right? J less than b minus 1, less than equals or less than equals b minus 1, j plus plus. What we have to write here is uh, if if c index j is greater than c index j minus 1 and c index j is also greater than c index j plus 1, what we have to do is we have to swap c index j comma c index j plus 1, right? That's how it works. And also we have to let it first, we'll check it. Okay, yes and no, we will figure it out. 1 3 2 5 4, 1 2 3 5 4, 1 2 3 4 5, we got it. We are arranging it correctly. 5 5 4 3 2 2 1. We are not able to arrange it, so it is giving as it is. Yes, what we have to do now is we have to remove this. For loop we have done exactly correctly. Okay, if uh, c equals sort of c dot begin of comma c dot end of uh, then c out, c out, yes, and else c out and del. I think this should work, but there is, what is saying is no operator vector. Acha, we I think there is a mistake, like how to compare. With wait. What I'll do is I'll just take this. I'll ask a syntax. Acha, we are already sorting it, right? What this function is sorted. Okay, so it was a function if C is sorted. Okay, yes, it is sorted. Now fifth one, yes, it is sorted. No, it is not 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 sorted. We have, so I asked Gemini for functions like this one, and also I was doing here, I was applying a square bracket here, which is a common sense that I made a mistake here, which was a syntax error. And also this was a function that we got to know today. Means you guys, I think you were knowing from starting, but I got to know today that if it is sorted, it is checking whether the array is, whether the vector is sorted or not. If not, the if will be false. If yes, it is true, then it will print yes. Once we will submit it. 1896a, 1896a. I think, I wish it passes all the test case chat. Is my network good, right? Yeah, network is good. Why it's taking a lot? It's taking a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time just to submit. Are there any new viewers today now? Yeah, some of them are watching. Array wrong on test case itself. Test case one itself. We will check it. What is wrong? What was wrong in the first test case? Yes, yes. No, 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 no. This was only right. The first test case. 1896a. Ah, yes, no, 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 no. Okay. What was our answer? One no, two no, three no, four no. Four no's are there, right? Then what was? It's not showing where to where our submission is once again. It's taking a lot of time. I think I should fix my Wi-Fi. I guess my network is good, but there is error in the Codeforces official website. I think there must be something wrong with them. One second, chat. I will off my camera. Turn off my camera. Hi, welcome back. I was fixing my network. I think it's not coming. Still, it's not coming. Chat, I think the last question what I did was I entered a wrong code while submitting. That's why. Oh, wait, chat. I'll open once again in this only. Codeforces can't reach right now, or mm, chat. We got. 1896 here, right? 1896. Yeah. It's taking a very long time. Usually it doesn't take this much time to submit the question. 1896. Eh, yes, everything is correct. But when did you start CP? Uh, in my last sem. In January, I guess. In last sem I started. But actually, I'm solving from last 2 months. Last 2 month, particularly, I'm solving for improving my skills. At the starting, I was not knowing how to. I was just randomly solving the easy questions. Everything is working properly, right? But the Codeforces website, okay. Once I was submitted with the same code, but we have to check. Chat 1 second. Codeforces is down today. Yeah. Did you check it once? Is it really down today? Codeforces, is it really down? My network is good. Codeforces is actually down today, I guess. Yes. And what we should do with this? Are you also solving today? Vanch, are you also solving today? Welcome to the stream, by the way. Please consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. I think it's now working. Okay, it's not working in this, but it worked in my compiler, right? Okay. There was supposed to be 4s. I'm not supposed to write double ampersand here. Out of bounds. 1 second. Where was my compiler? I think it's working, guys, right? Now it's working, right? Codeforces is working now. Yeah, I'll submit this now. Wait, let me check all the test cases here. Array. Okay, now the real test case which is failed, we'll check it. First token itself it is failing, like 10th one. So okay, if what we have is what we have here is, yeah, current I think it is back. Please check once. I think yeah, it is slow, but it is once it is working, once it is not working. So the test case what is, which is 1 1 10 9 6 9 6 7 7 8 5 4 3 2. 8 5 4 3 2, right? 8 5 4 3 2 10, 1 10 9 6 1 10 9 6 7 8 5 4 0. Okay, first it is greater than this and greater than this, we swap here, and then we get 1 9 10 6 7 8 5 4 3 2, and again return this is greater, we swap it. But at last what the code, for the code we have written, our answer will be 9 6 7 8 5 4 3 2 10. For the code we have written, this will be our answer. I think yes, this will be our answer, but it should not be our answer. It should then it should come here, then it should come here. Same, it should happen like this, right? Once I chat, I will check what my code, the code which I have written, right? It is actually doing the same way, which is a wrong. I'll remove this. I will just see out it. One is 10, 1 10 9 6 7 8 5 4 3 2. Yes, what did I tell you? Which is not completely solving it. So the code which I have written, which is actually wrong. This is what I said right here. Yes, it is what my code is doing, but it should not do that. Again 9 should uh, change itself, and again 2, again 6 10 9 6 7. Okay. There must be a formula, right? There must be a formula for it. There is a pattern which I am not getting it. Let me guess it. 1 10 9. Okay. If what I have to do for this now is, uh, let's take now 1 and 10 is 1 and 10 is, no, let's be here itself. 19678. Okay, again we have to run a loop and we have to sort it. We are checking it just length of the array times, which is uh, okay. Once we switch it, then the j should also become to 1. If it is not swapping, then j should increase by 1. Hmm, what I was saying here is there is like it is a simple question, but I am actually lagging it. What we will do now is we have array, right? 1, 10, 110, 9, 6, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, right? What we do is uh, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If it is greater, then I will shift it. Then I have to check again from here. If I swap once, wait chat, 1, 10, 9, 6, 7, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, right? This is greater, then I will swap these, right? Then my array should again check from here. My array should again check from here. Now what I will do, again it will be 1, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 3 and 2, right? What I'll do, I'll check from here. Now it is not there, so it will check again here. Yes, it is there. Then it will swap, then it will swap. It will go till here, right? But at one time it will become like 19678543210. Now this is greater, but how should we check that there is still possibility that we have to sort it again? There must be something uh, that I am not getting in this. Okay, we'll ask GPT, we'll ask Gemini now, because we have spent a lot of time now with this question itself, right? I am from Karnataka, but I am not from Bangalore. I am actually from Gadag, but I am living in Davangere. Are you from Bangalore, Karan? I am not from Bangalore. I am from Gadag, but we reside in Davangere. Where are you from? Okay. Your code screenshot items simulate swap zone which won't perform unless yes. Fully sort the array photo. The key observation is wait, they will be giving a hint here, right? Where is the hint? What does the first element signify? What does the first element signify? Nothing. It signifies okay. If it is one, then only it will be yes. If the first element is not one, then it will always be no. But in our test case, it is one here. So that int is okay. Check if the first element is the small. That's what I did. If there is no permutation can be otherwise. Oh, how? How? That's what I got. Dun, 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 dun. But okay. That's it is a very simple question. How I that's it was very simple. I was spending time while swapping it, and we also saw this question yesterday, right? Which almost took an half an hour. We could have just figured it out if the first element is the smallest, then it can be sorted. We did not focus on that. We focused on everything else. How we can swap, how we cannot swap. Just a 5 minutes away, I did this, right? The all answer was hidden in this. If c index is 0 equals 1, then c out else c out no and l. Eighteen 96a. If I have not saw the hint, then I might have just doing it till I get it, which eventually I would not get it, right? Yeah, we solved one question now, which was a common sense question. Okay, where is we solve this, right? We solve this question now. Dorame is paint. Okay, an array b1, b2, and bn. Okay, let's before going to this, are there anyone watching? Nobody is watching it till now. Okay, let's we solved one question now. We will go with our second question of today's problem. What is the time now? Okay. An array b1, b2, and bn of positive integers is good if all these sums of two adjacent elements are equal to the same value. More formally, the array is good if there exists a k such that okay. Uh, an array b1, b2, and bn of an array b1, b2, and bn of positive integers is good if all sums of adjacent elements. I am regretting the last question now because it was very simple, right? If we had checked the first index, if it is one, it is can be sorted. If it is not one, it cannot be sorted. I was not able to think that one. Okay, let it be. We'll go with this question now. An array b1, b2, and bn of positive integers is good if all the sums of two adjacent elements are equal to the same value. More formally, the array is good if there exists a k such that b1 plus b2. Okay, if there exists a k such that b1 plus b2 equals b2 plus b3 till the end till n equals k. Doremi has an array A of length n. Now Doremi can permit its elements, change their order however she wants. So determine if she can make the array good. Okay. Or good. 8 or 9 or 9 or 8. It actually, if the array size is 2, then it's always yes. If the array size is in even, if the array size is in even, then any other elements, if the array size is even, then have to arrange the elements alternatively, right? Alternatively. No, if it is a big array, if it is a big array, okay, let's consider the third test case here. It is 1 1 4, right? 1 1 4 and 5. So what we can do here is we can arrange it as 1 4 1 5. No, we can't arrange it because there's some. Okay, it should. What is this? What is this sum? 9 10 11 11, which mod 2 is not equals 0, right? So we can't do that. So If okay, if we have, let's try an example which is 4, which is given as 4. If we have 1 2 4 and 5, we can arrange it as 2 and 4 and 1 and 5, right? No, we can't, because this will be 6, this will be 6, but this will be 5, so it can't be. I think we have to do a modulus here for the sum. uh, which will be 5. 3 mod 5, is it 0? 3 mod 5 is not 0, but we can arrange it as 1 1 1 1 2, right? Which can be 1 2 1, this and this sum, which will be 3. ah but but we can't. He also given as example as 2 3 3 3 3, right? We can't arrange it. Okay, if we have, if we have like mm, if we have uh, array length as 4, let's assume array length has 4, which is 1 1 4 5, he has given us, right? Now what we can do is, um, I was thinking something now. Okay, this has count of 2, right? And this has one count and this has one count. It doesn't make sense, if I tell like this. Why I thought he's 3, right? 1 2 1, there are two counts and this is one count, so it can fit easily in between of them. And if it is even, then there must be, if it is even, then there must be at least, no, there is something, there is a pattern that I am lacking in recognizing it. 1415 1415 1415, good. 112, which can be written as 121. So if they are even though they are a palindrome, if it is, if it was, 1 second, if we have, just assume like, if we have 6 here, 3 2 3 2 3, let's assume this is 5, so this will be 5, this will be 5, this will be 5, and this will be 5. But so if we have uh, Okay, I got it. If we have a count of 5, okay, let me tell you. If we have a if we have input 5, then there should contains only two elements, then which should be 3 times, and 2 should be 2 times, or 2 should be 3 times and 3 should be 2 times. I hope you get it right. Let's take an example for 6 here. For 6 we'll take it. If we have assumed that we have 6, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 2. We have 3 and 3, right? Okay, let's take it. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, and this is 5. Should be k. If it is even, then we have to take their element as set, and there will be almost two elements, but we have, okay, I got it now. Now we are getting, if we have this, we have been given an array like 2, 3, 3, 3, and 3, which is 5 times. We can't fit 2 and 3. So if we are taking an element here, that should be, and the second element here, then the next element should be the first element, right? Because whatever we had here should be here, right? And whatever we are adding here, they should be here, and whatever should be here, they should be here. So it is like a chain, right? I think this should work. This should work, by the way, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If we have, just assume like, if we have 6 here, 3 2, 3 2, 3. What I will do now is, I will remove everything here. No, till, no. Okay, I'll remove the internal elements. So we need till here, right? We need till here. It is same. But now what I have to do is, whatever the element remains in the first, we will take that itself. And wait, if there are more elements than 3 in the list, then it will be printing no, because it can't work. And there should be only two elements in the entire vector or array, whatever you say, and they must be in alternative way. So if they are in the alternative way, then one should be in, if we take here the fifth one, if we take here the sixth, which should be 3 2 3 2 3 2, right? So if it is even, if mod 2 equals 0, then wait one second. If any element, say like we have here 6, right? If mod 2, yeah, equals 0, then this 3 count and 2 count will be same. But if an element like 5 mod 2, which is not equal 0, right? So the 3 count should be greater than 2, or 3 count should be less than 2. Wait 1 second. So either 3 count should be 3 count of 3. So what I'm saying is count of 3 should be plus 1, then count of 2. Got it, right? If 3 is 3 times, if 3 is 3 times, then 2 must be 2 times. So we can write it as 3 2 3 2 3, which is 5 times. And if we are getting, we are taking the same example, either 2 should be 3 times and 3 should be 2 times. So we can write it as 2 3 2 3 2, which is 5 5 and 5, right? Here the example here we have taken here is 1 1 2, right? 1 1 2. So it is the mod 2 is not equals to 0. So we have so 1 count is 2 times and 2 count is 1 time, so it satisfies. This is what I said. So we will write here in our code, we'll write this in our code now. Let's assume this is what I said of 2. You got it, right? If 3 is 3 times, if 3, okay, what we will do is we'll take the first element for considering list. So for this question I will go with Python only, better to solve it fast. Okay, we got here. Now what I'll do is, wait chat, wait 1 second, I will ask here only. Where was, where were we? Yes. uh, Chat, I will. Hi Matthew, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, Matthew. if length of D is equals to 2, then if C index C dot count of D index 0, 0 is plus 1, then C dot count of D index 1, or vice versa. I have written code now. I will once check it. It should have given output by now, but oh, if there is an error that I have not given here. Yes, C dot count of okay, okay. There is a error here which I made a mistake. It should print it now, right? Wait, if else B is not, it will always be right, always be true. Okay, if b equals to 2, then print yes, else if len of d is if len of t is equals to, then what we will do is uh, what we will do is if len of d, what is len of t? Here 1 and 2. If len of t is equals to 2, then what we will do is see if c dot count of d index 0 minus c dot count of d index 1 should be equals to 1. I have to put this in ABS. If it is 1, then print yes, else print no, else print no. It should work, guys. It should work. Yes, yes, no, yes. It will not print, right? And then 5. Yes, 500 1 3 it should print add more, but it should print, right? So it is 1. Oh, if d is 1, then it should okay. If len of d equals 1, then print yes, brother. At the same time it's printing, right? Hmm. Then it should be in else. Now it's working. Control A, copy 1890A. Change the language to Python. Okay, wrong on test case 2. Let it show first of all. Okay, where there is wrong in the third token. 1 1 2. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 2 1 2 3 3 3 3 3 3. What is wrong in that? What's wrong in that? Why did I print no there? Why? Uh, in set we D has 2, right? Then okay, okay, okay. Oh, I forgot even and odd. I forgot to add odd and even there. Okay, okay, I
Okay.
forgot adding odd and even. Let me add here. Let me add odd and even. If len mod 2 equals 0 should be 0. At initial I forgot. I told you, right? I have to change it, but I think this should work now. Yes, it's working. What's error now? Wait. If length of D is 1. If length of D is 1, okay, let me check here what have done wrong. At least I figured out in the first this only, right? We have 4, 1, 1, 2, 2. We can write it as 1, 2, 1, 2, right? We have odd count. If it is 0, then it should print as. If not, print no. If it is even, then it should be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Odd count of 1 should be of 1 minus 2 should be 1. ABS should be 1. Then print s, else no. It not length. I made a mistake here. It should not be length. Length should be to itself. Length should be to itself. Length should be to itself. Length should be to itself, but in that too, uh, even in that, we are counting if the difference should be 1, right? Or 0, or it might be 0, right? It can be 0, right? I'll copy this only, right? Copy here, then I'll run this. 1898. I I hope this will be accepted, but array wrong. Which token now? Which token is wrong now? 7 7 17th token is wrong for this. Okay, we will just see hint now. We are very close for this. What if there are only two distinct numbers? We have figured it out. Check frequency of count number order. We have checked this out. Use frequency map count distance. If size is the print no. For size to check if the frequency differ by 1 for on odd. We have figured this also. If size is greater than 3, we will obviously print. Hi Momo Shahid Hallikari, welcome to the stream. You came now? Momo Shahid Hallikari, did you came now? In the stream you came now, but What logic are you applying? Can you explain? Okay, once again, for this question, what I am doing, Dorem is paint, right? This question, right? Mohammed Shahid Hallikeri, are you asking for this question? Okay, I'll explain however. Okay, I'll explain for this. I am here from and 30. Oh, nice. Thank you for the watch time you have given me. I'll explain this question itself. Okay, what he has given is, yes, like, okay, we'll take example for the third test case. Fourth one, 4 1 1 4 5. So what logic am I using is, uh, just assume that we are taking, he has given us a size 5 and he is giving us 2 3 3 3 3, which is given in the test case, right? He has given here, he has given here. So what I thought is, and he told that for every difference between the I and I plus 1 should be same for all them. If it is, no, the sum is 5 right here, for here it is 5, for here it is 6, which is not, according to the question, it is wrong, it will not follow the rule as per the given question. So the array should be like, and I want how you are applying the logic to add any two numbers from the array. So to solve this question, what I am doing right now is, if any array is given, right, to solve the question, whatever he has given is, assume that he has given array 2 3 2 3 3 2 3, right? This can be solved. What I am doing now is, I am taking it as first list, and then I am taking it as a set, like 2 comma 3 set will be like this, right? Now what I am doing is, if this length is 2, if the length is 2, what I am doing is, I am taking the count of this in this array and then subtracting. So count of this in this array is 3, right? And then subtracting from count of this in this array, which is 2. If it is odd, then it will be 1 difference, or it might be 0 also, doesn't matter, but the length should be 2. That's what I have written here. If the length, if the d length is just 1, which will be 3 3 3 3, right? Then it will print automatically yes. If length is 2, if the length is 2, what I am doing is, I am checking the count of this integer in this array and subtracting the count of this integer in this array. It should be either 1 or 0. Okay, it should be 1 or 0. If if it is 1 or 0, then it will print as, because yeah, if it is 1 or 0, it will print as, if it is not 1 or 0, it will print no. Then if the length is greater than uh, 2, it can't maintain the same sum, right? So it will eventually print no. But there is a wrong in this, what The test case is wrong in the 17th token. If the length is greater than 3, then it will print no. If the length is, wait, use frequency map to count distinct numbers. That's what we did. If size is greater than or equals to 3, output no. Why? Yes, it should be no. And then frequency map is nothing but a set map. It is greater than 3 or greater than yes, it will be no. For size, so in the hint third, what is telling, if it is not, length is not 2, then it will print yes, print 3. So this is, if it is 3 or greater than 3, it will print no, right? Where it went. And for size equals to, check if frequency difference by 1 for odd n. So it doesn't matter. I think he's saying if uh, the length, so no, not length, not length. If the frequency count is, 1 second, what he's trying to tell, if frequency differ by 1 for odd n, if a frequency, so length should be always 1 only, right? So we will check, we will once check what is wrong in this. I can't count till 17th, which is almost in the middle, almost in the middle. No, I can't check here. I'll just ask. There is a simple thing that we should change in here, but where it went, to solve the question array can be rearranged, d is equals to counter. Counter, what is counter? Counter of c. If length of d is equal to, okay, d means it counts the frequency, right? D dot values. Okay, that's what we did, right? E minus f is less than or equals to 1. 1 second, guys. Then I should remove this. That's what it makes, right? There is nothing to change here, but it will fail. It will fail. Yes, exactly. Hmm. Compilation error by I have not applied this. I think it will fail. It will fail again because something is wrong that I am missing here. You already submitted the exam code before. Okay. What he's doing? He's doing the same value then. Counter means it is like a dictionary, right? It is a dictionary. For each value, it contains the frequency of that in the C. If length of D is equals to 1, code is the same as given by Gemini, but it is count of okay. There is huh, it should pass. It should yes it should. It passed. It passed. Hmm. I am celebrating myself. If a length of D myself. Yes, I solved this question. And now I wanted to see Today, Panther 39 is not in the stream. I wish he was in the stream. I think he is studying his own things. Oh, simple. Okay, 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 okay. List. Yeah, I was just checking whether. Oh, I did not corrected it, right? Doremi's problem we did. Doremi's problem we did it, guys. Now, I think we can solve the seventh one. Don't try to count, okay? I think it is. We can do that. We can solve this problem. We can solve this problem, guys.